Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to create a Weebly website very easily. So, the process of creating a site in Weebly is very accessible, very intuitive, and if you want to give it all a go for absolutely free, there's a link in the description down below that will allow you to do so. So give that link a click once you're done watching the video, and that'll take you straight to Weebly and allow you a free trial version of it. Once you log in to Weebly, a wizard step-by-step guide will appear and take you through the process that I'm about to engage with. If that doesn't appear and you arrive at this dashboard for whatever reason, if you exit it, in the top right hand corner, go to My Site and then Add Site. This then is the process that should engage when you first log in. So depending on what you need at this stage, you can select to start selling items, or do you just need a website? So we're going to go that way. And the idea is at this stage then you'd browse all of these templates and have a look at what website closest resembles the one you want to create. So have a good look around. There's not loads of them, compared to other web builders, but most of the bases are covered here. So once you find one you like the look of, like this one for example, you can see that the website kind of exists on the right hand side and the header just sticks to the left. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to go with that one, and then you can see then start editing it is on the top right. So once it opens then, it's very intuitive and very accessible if you want to just, approach it from a very easy point of view. There's lots of other tutorials on the channel that'll take you through some of the specifics, but I'll give you a very basic overview. On the left-hand side, in a second, the first thing that'll happen is it'll ask you, to connect a custom URL. So if you want to do that at some point, you can access it through the settings option in the menu, but a dialog box will appear in a second which is prompting us to do that. So you can just close that when you first want to build a website, and then you've got access to the website in the web builder, and your website is essentially created then. So if there's stuff that you want to bring in, like a button or some text or an image, then you can do so by just clicking and dragging that element in to the builder and dropping it wherever you want it to go. And most of the stuff that you'll need is kind of accessible there. If it's not there, it's probably going to be in the App Store. So if the function that you are looking for doesn't appear at a glance there, have a look at it in the App Store. With regards to pages then and navigation, as you can see there's a menu down here, and those pages are all accessible under here, under the pages option on the menu, and you can click the page and that will navigate to that page, and you can rename it and access some of the basic options and delete them as well. If you want to change the kind of look and feel of your website at any point quite significantly at once, if you go to theme and then change theme, you'll see that we get access then back to the templates from the template browser that we were at the start, and that will then keep the information and keep the images of your current site, but kind of reformat it. You can also change the color palette quite significantly in this area as well. The settings, if at some point down the line you want to connect it to a custom URL and kind of edit the header and footer and manage the members of your site, that's all under the settings option in the menu there. And then once you're kind of done with the construction of your website, you can hit publish in the top right hand corner, and then that will take you through the process of making it available for public use. And that concludes the video tutorial. So now you can click that link down below and check Weebly out for completely free by clicking the link in the description. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, you can leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.